If you searched how to buy shares of JPMorgan Chase Co, this short guide shows the practical steps. JPMorgan Chase is a global financial services firm that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker JPM, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker JPM to locate the listing. Confirm you select the JPMorgan Chase Co entry that matches the ticker and market. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart, confirming market and ticker details. Make sure the company name, ticker, and listed market match before proceeding. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm when ready. If the market is closed, the order will be queued to execute at the next market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the order executes, your position will appear in the portfolio or holdings list. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to visit the platform.